Awning windows are a smart and versatile choice for homeowners in Crestview, especially given the area's mix of warm temperatures, humidity, and occasional rain. Their top-hinged design allows them to open outward, creating a protective angle that lets in fresh air while helping keep rain out. However, to truly get the most out of awning windows, placement is key. Choosing the right locations in your home can maximize ventilation, comfort, and overall functionality. One of the best places to install awning windows is in bathrooms. Moisture buildup is a common issue in these spaces, and proper ventilation is essential for maintaining air quality and preventing mold. Awning windows can be placed higher on the wall, allowing steam and humidity to escape without sacrificing privacy. In Crestview's humid climate, this placement helps keep bathrooms dry and comfortable while reducing the risk of long-term moisture damage. Kitchens are another ideal location for awning windows. Cooking generates heat, smoke, and odors, all of which need to be vented out quickly. Installing an awning window above the sink or near cooking areas allows for easy ventilation without taking up valuable wall space. Since these windows can remain open even during light rain, they provide consistent airflow while you cook, making your kitchen more pleasant to use. Living rooms can also benefit from well-placed awning windows. When installed higher on the wall or paired with larger fixed windows, they allow fresh air to circulate without obstructing views. In Crestview homes, this combination is especially effective for creating cross-ventilation. By placing awning windows on opposite sides of a room or home, you encourage airflow that moves naturally through the space, reducing the need for constant air conditioning. Bedrooms are another great area to consider. Proper airflow can significantly improve comfort, especially during warmer nights. Awning windows placed higher on the wall allow for ventilation while maintaining security and privacy. This placement also helps keep the room cooler by allowing warm air to escape and fresh air to enter, creating a more restful sleeping environment. Basements or lower-level rooms often struggle with airflow, making them a perfect candidate for awning windows. Because these windows can be installed in smaller or tighter spaces, they provide ventilation where other window styles might not fit. In Crestview, where humidity can affect lower levels of the home, this added airflow helps prevent dampness and improves overall air quality. Hallways and stairwells are often overlooked when it comes to window placement, but they can benefit greatly from awning windows. Installing them in these areas allows warm air to rise and escape, improving overall air circulation throughout the home. This can help balance temperatures between different levels and create a more comfortable environment. Another effective placement strategy is combining awning windows with larger picture windows. Picture windows provide expansive views and natural light, while awning windows add ventilation. Placing awning windows above or beside fixed windows allows you to enjoy both benefits without compromising energy efficiency or aesthetics. This setup works particularly well in living areas where both light and airflow are important. Outdoor-facing walls that receive consistent breezes are also ideal for awning window placement. Positioning windows to capture these natural winds allows you to take advantage of Crestview's airflow patterns. This can help cool your home naturally and reduce reliance on mechanical cooling systems. Awning windows are also a practical choice for areas where space is limited. Because they open outward and do not require interior clearance, they can be installed in tight spots where other windows might not function well. This flexibility makes them a valuable addition to a wide range of spaces throughout the home. Of course, proper installation is essential to ensure these placement strategies are effective. A well-installed awning window will seal tightly when closed and open smoothly when needed, providing reliable performance in all weather conditions. In the end, maximizing the benefits of awning windows in Crestview comes down to thoughtful placement. By installing them in areas like bathrooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and high-traffic spaces, homeowners can improve ventilation, comfort, and overall functionality. With the right approach, Awning windows become more than just a design feature, they become a practical solution for better living every day.